In this lesson, we'll talk about mobile themes and how to optimize our theme for different devices. These days, a lot of people browse the web from mobile devices, whether they're using a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. These different devices are going to affect how people can use or read your blog. So we want to go ahead and make sure that people can read our content easily on all kinds of those different mobile devices. And a lot of themes have a mobile theme actually built in, but you have to go in and activate it. And the way we do that is under our appearance. So right under or above users, we can come down here to this last option, which is our mobile theme. And you can see that our theme does have a mobile theme built in, which is awesome, but we still need to enable it. So I'm going to press yes. We always want to do this if we have the option, and then update it to make sure that is enabled. And we have a couple more options after enabling our theme. We can choose to always show posts on the front page, which for a mobile device, I'm actually going to change this to yes, because it can be kind of annoying to have to click around when you're on a phone rather than how easy it is to navigate through things on a desktop. So I'm going to make that easy and just show our posts on our front page instead. And we also can show excerpts instead of an entire post. So I'm going to choose yes for this as well. We can choose whether to show featured images. So I'm going to leave that turned off. And then we can turn off the custom header text color. So you can use the default color if you want to do that, which I didn't change that. So I'm going to leave it at the default settings for that. And I highly recommend you pull out your phone and visit your blog. So I would change these and maybe test it and make sure that it's easy to use on your phone. And that way there's a good chance that other people can use it on their phones as well, rather than just kind of playing here and guessing whether it might be used as well. Which, if you want to have a quick way of doing this, I'll show you. I'm going to go ahead and update this and visit our blog. You can actually shrink your browser window to kind of simulate this happening. So right here, we might have a tablet layout where this kind of switches here. So you'd want to make sure we can use it here. And then as we're shrinking this, you can see now we have a mobile type layout. So our navigation switched here to kind of this little hamburger menu here. So we have our menu hidden there, and this is how it'll appear on mobile, which since I'm not using a mobile device, we don't have our most recent post displaying there, but we can come in here and kind of test and see how it might look on those devices. So just a little tip there. So I want to go back to our settings there. So I'm going to go back to our dashboard and then back to our appearance mobile. And there's one more thing I want to talk about here. And that's that there's a WordPress app for mobile devices. So if you often find you're on a train or something like that where you have a lot of time to maybe blog, it's probably a really good idea to go ahead and grab this application, and it'll be optimized to allow you to create content on a touchscreen type device. So I highly recommend going ahead and grabbing that for your phone or your tablet or whatever it is that you use on the go. So that's really all there is to a mobile theme, is just enabling it and then testing these out to see what you like for your layout. So in our next lesson, we're going to talk about some tips for keeping your blog alive and where to go after you've created your blog.